Today I am going to explain you the poem Rain on the Roof by Skinny. About the writer, Skinny was an American lawyer, politician, journalist and poet who wrote Rain on the Roof. About the poem. This poem is about the rain falling on the roof which makes him nostalgic. Rain is very exciting for many people. They enjoy it in different way. Here rain is an emotion. It bears different meaning for different people. Maybe someone would like to play with paper boat in their childhood. Some likes to take bath in rain. Some likes to have snacks like pakoras and tea or coffee. Here the poet tries to describe the experiences of enjoying the rain while lying in the bed in his cottage. The rain falls on the tiles of his roof, resulting tingles cause an echo in his heart. It caused thousands of fancies and recollection in his mind. Suddenly, the fancies took him down in the memory lane and his past world is very actually beautiful. The rain is trying to make him remember his mother who was now no more. The poet and his sibling are so loved by their mother. She used to put them sleep and dream undisturbed. The whole reel from the past is displayed in the mind of the poet then, when he listened the sound of the rain falling on the tiles of his roof. Here the poet tries to tell that on a particular starry night when there is raining outside, it is such a blessing and happiness to be on bed and remembering his sweet mother and his childhood. Line by line explanations, stanza 1. When the humid shadows hover over all the starry spheres, and a melancholy darkness gently weeps in the rainy tears, what a bliss to press the pillow of a cottage chamber bed and lie listening to the patter of the soft rain overhead. When the humid shadows hover, humid means full of moist or water. Shadows here means rain clouds. Hover means move over something in the air. And a melancholy darkness, melancholy means sadness, gently weeps in the rainy tears. What a bliss, bliss means happiness. To press the pillow of a cottage chamber bed means in his bedroom. And lie listening to the patter. Patter means the sound of the raindrops of the soft rain overhead. Humid shadow means rain clouds which are full of moisture. And starry spheres means sky full of stars. Spheres mean sky. So let's see the line by line meaning of this poem. When the humid shadows hover over all the starry spheres. Here the poet tries to tell us that on a particular night when the sky is full of stars, starry spheres means full of stars, there are rain clouds on the sky. There are rain clouds on the sky moving up in the air over them. And a melancholy darkness gently weeps in rainy tears. So, melancholy darkness means by that moment the poet was feeling very sad, and he, along with the sadness, he can feel the rain dropping on the roof of his house. So he felt that as he was sad, so the sky is also sad. The darkness actually symbolizes sadness. This is just as sad as the poet and thought the raindrops. It is crying. The clouds were dropping the raindrops in the form of actually tears. What a bliss to press the pillow of a cottage chamber bed and lie listening. What a bliss to press the pillow of a cottage chamber bed means lying on the bed, on his bedroom, he felt that a kind of happiness in that sadness. In the rain is healing his melancholy. The rain is healing his heart, taking him out of that sadness actually. And gently, it is gently weeping, means the cloud is gently weeping. And lie listening to the patter of the soft rain of her fall. And the poet is listening. The gentle, the sweet, sound of the rain falling on the roof. Actually, during such starry night, when it is raining outside, it is such a blessing or happiness to lie on his bed and pressing the pillow with his head. To listen the patter of the soft raindrops falling on the roof is such a happiness in such a sad night. By listening the melody of the nature, the poet feels so happy and healed. He feels that the sky is with him in his sadness and he feels really blessed and happy. This is the explanation actually I have told you just now. Let's see the second paragraph. Stanza 2. Every tinkle under singles has an echo in the heart, and a thousand dreamy fancies into busy being stirred, and a thousand recollections wave the air, thread into woof. As I listen to the patter of the rain upon the roof. Here, tinkles means light raining sound, and singles means wooden tiles on the roof. Fancies means fanciful, and recollection means memories. Wave their air thread into woof. Woof means the threads woven across the loom. So, every tingle on the singles has an echo in the heart. The rain falls on the singles and resulting tingles cause a echo in the heart. It causes thousands of fancies and recollections in the mind. As he heard the raindrops falling on his roof, he started to dream, imagine things, and slowly he started to recollect the memories of his childhood. Actually, slowly he went into a different world in his past, which is very beautiful. It's like a dream for him, and thousands of memories started to wave in his mind just as each and every thread of the handloom wave a design. So, in short, the rain took him that part of life which was very beautiful for him. So, he repeated the repeated musical sound of rain echoes in his heart, filled him with recollecting fancy dreams. Stanza 3. Now in memory comes my mother, as she used in years agone to regard the darling dreamers, ere she left them till the dawn. Oh, I feel her fond look on me as I listen to the refrain, which is played upon the shingles by the patter of the rain. The poet here expresses that the rain makes him remember his mother, who was no more. She left them years before. Agon means before. Era means old poetic word for before. Dawn means daybreak, just before sunrise. Fond means loving. List means listening, the old poetic word for listening. And refrain means sound of rain is repeated. So the poet reminded of his mother as how she used to get up at dawn. The mere memory of his mother makes the poet feel her fond look. To regard the darling dreamers, ere she left them till the dawn. Darling dreamers means referring to the poet and his sibling when they were kids and had sweet dreams. They were loved by their mother and so were her darlings. So, when he was a kid, he and his siblings, means brothers and sisters, were loved by their mother. Every night she used to put them to sleep and dream undisturbed. As I listen to the refrain, which is played upon the singles by the patter of the rain. So, the song and patter of the rain of the roof singles makes him feel that the mother is still there even though she is no more. This is how he is telling us the experience of rain that makes him melancholic as well as nostalgic. Actually, in course of time, the poet is going down his memory lane and he also feels blessed as he remembers his mother and his childhood. The poet here describes healing nature of rain and expresses his emotion of sadness here. So, at the end, we come to know that he is nostalgic, thinking about his mother and his childhood. This is the poem. Hope you understand it. In my next video, I will give you the question answers along with the poetical devices. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.